Hello. In this program, we will see the concept of multiple catch. We can use in exception handling. Suppose our program can give multiple exceptions, so we can handle it through the multiple catch blocks. It is possible by using a multiple catch with a single try or multiple try catch block. In this example, I am showing that we can use multiple catch with a single try block. You can see that we have only a one try block, and corresponding to it we have two catch blocks. So it is a simple concept. We have created an array that is a array of three values, a0, a1, a2. So our suppose if the concept is, if we are dividing the two array elements and storing in the result c, right? Here see that c is equals to a0 divided by a1. So what are the two exceptions we can get here? Here I have taken the constant values of the index. Suppose we are taking the input of indexes from the user and then dividing the two values, or suppose we are getting the index values from any calculation and then dividing to it. So what are the two types of exception can come here is that first, uh, any of the index value of an array any of the array value can be a 0. So if we divide by 0, it will give an arithmetic exception. Or if the from the user end or from the any calculation we get the index out of the range, means we have index, correct index value is a0, a1, a2. Suppose here a0 or a1, instead of 0 or 1 we get a of 3, so it will give an exception that your array is of three elements and you are exceeding the index limit. So see that if in this line only we can get two exception, that is divide by 0 and arithmetic, and divide by 0 and index out of bound exception. And see here I am using here a of 6, means our array is of three elements and here the index is of 6, so it will give an exception. So let's see what will be the outputs. See, the program compiles, means this, there is no syntax error. It will be having an exceptional error at the runtime. See, now analyze the exceptions. That yes, a0 and 1 is right, a0 is 2 and a1 is 1. 2 divided by 1 we are getting 2. So here we doesn't get any division error, so it is giving the output division equals to 2. And when we are printing a of 6, here it is index out of bound, so it's given an exception. See, array dot lang dot array index out of bound exception, means we are using the index out of the maximum limit, index 6 out of the bounds for length 3. So what we have done, that if any of the two exceptions, arithmetic exception or index out of bound exception will occur here, its respective object will be thrown and it will be catched by the catch block. Now here we have to specifically specify what exception we are handling. Here we are handling arithmetic exception, means divide by 0 and any other exception regarding it, and here we are accepting the index exceptions. Now see, if I use here like that 0, might be I have not saved this program. Saved. See, Java lang dot arithmetic exception divided by 0. Here I have replaced the value of a1 by 0. So whenever an exception comes, the object will is always thrown and we get out of the try catch block. See,